Hey everybody, this is Tanya Atomic, and today I'm unboxing HorrorPack. HorrorPack is a monthly subscription. It's about $25, and you get for the Blu-ray, and you get 4 Blu-rays. Let's see what we got this month. First of all, oh my gosh, Mother Krampus. That looks amazing. I might have to watch this tonight because it's a couple days till Christmas. Oh my gosh, then a Cadaver Christmas. Then we have The Conjuring 2, which looks Christmassy with the red nightie. And then the next one is Z, which I've never heard of this one. I think it's a HorrorPack limited edition. And I've never heard of these other ones either. But Christmas is coming, so I'm going to go ahead and watch these. And I will let you know what I think of them. I'm probably going to watch these 2 Christmassy ones. And, yeah, so that's it for this month. So I'm so excited. Do you get HorrorPack? Do you want to get HorrorPack? Let me know what you think of these movies. And that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching.